Hi guys! A day in my life as a part-time content creator na wala pang sahod at hindi naman sikat sa social media. Ngayong araw po, tayo ay lalayas na naman. Nandito tayo sa Sumo Nico Unlimited Japanese Barbecue. Nakaka-bored na kasi sa bahay, kaya nag-decide na lang kami na mag-food trip na naman. Kung ikaw yung tao na mahilig ng ganito, this video is for you. Tapusin mo yung video para ikaw naman yung kumain after nito. Yung location pala is super easy to find. If you're coming from IT Park, you can just walk towards the Ayala Central Block building. It's on the lower ground floor, right in front of the IT Park bus terminal. You can't miss the big block and yellow signages. And of course, for those taking bus, you can just ride any jeepney or buses going to Ayala Center, Cebu. And from there, it's a short walk to Ayala Central Block. This Japanese Unlimited Barbecue open sila daily from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. So you have plenty of time to swing by and satisfy your barbecue cravings. Sa mga oras na ito, tayo ay magluluto na para naman makakain na tayo. And of course guys, they have also good selection of meats, 7 kinds of pork, 4 kinds of beef, and 2 kinds of chicken or even 2 kinds of seafoods. And also guys, you won't go hungry for the side dishes either. They have everything from kimchi and seaweed salad to buttered corn, mashed potato, and the fruit salad. Even they have only rice and macaroni salad. Just an heads up lang guys, drinks are not included on the promo, pero meron naman silang selection of drinks. It's up to you na lang to choose kung ano yung pipiliin mong drinks.
Oh my God.
Sorry guys if nagutom ka na ngayon, mag-unli barbecue ka na rin. Grabe, nabusog talaga ako. Oo nga pala, this unli barbecue cost 549 pesos per head. May kamahalan din siya, pero sige lang, madami namang option ng meat at saka side dishes. Paalala rin guys, huwag itong ugaliin. Okay lang yung minsan. Kumain lang tayo ng sapat sa ating katawan. Be responsible at all times. If you are in the mood for some unlimited Japanese barbecue, definitely check out the Sumo Nico at Ayala Central Block. Yun lamang po for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at sana may natutunan kayo. Bye! See you soon!